lives by exchanging. As we all know, that trade isn't just about selling goods. Trade is about information. It is about business-friendly policies and governance. Because goods sit in the warehouse until the information and supportive policies move them out from the warehouse to the global world. The Confederation of All India Traders, CATE, is the only national organization of business community of India. It acts as the voice of more than 40,000 trade associations across the country, representing more than 8 crore traders of India. Their mission is to create a conducive business-friendly environment in the country by bringing in modernization and developing the skills of traders to upgrade their performance. CATE has run several successful programs in the past, like Digital Apnao, Vyapar Badhao, Vocal for Local, Healthy Lady, Wealthy Family, Be Indian, Buy Indian, and the likes. One of the ongoing programs CATE is working towards is Bharat E-Market, which aims at creating India's first ever online national marketplace in the domestic trade so that small businesses do not suffer at the hands of large e-commerce firms. CATE is now starting its Young Entrepreneurs Wing from Gujarat, since Gujarat has ranked the best state for the ease of doing business by RBI in 2020. The mission of CATE YE is to bridge the gap between young businessmen and the government by creating awareness about the government policies and promising measures taken by the government for their growth. For this, it conducts various seminars for young entrepreneurs under the Learning Committee in collaboration with government agencies, organizing field visits and industrial visits to educate them. There will be an independent research wing under the Research Committee, which will conduct regular research on the core issues concerning economy, trade, and government policies that are acting as a bottleneck in young entrepreneurs' business growth. The mentorship program and business concierge platform will provide the young entrepreneurs with guidance from the top CEOs and business stalwarts so that they can get insights about how to overcome challenges and scale up their existing business. Also, as a part of Business Concierge program, the members will be given top preference that encourages inter-business environment via mutual references. Under the Rural Committee, we will support the local artisans of India and scale them globally through the CATE YE network platform, supporting the concept of Make in India, promoted by our current Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We are also forming a think tank committee to devise new ideas and policies for continuous improvements in the functioning of CATE YE. Through this, we are planning for expansion of several chapters across India by the end of year 2024. CATE YE will also work towards other causes like bringing forth more women leaders through the Women Empowerment Committee, promote innovative business ideas by providing them financial and organizational guidance through the Startup Committee, and working towards social causes under the Social Responsibility Council. Following are some of the other committees of CATE YE. CATE truly believes in the slogan that reads, व्यापार और व्यापारियों के लिए बनी नीति, उसी पर निर्भर है देश की प्रगति। हम आपको इस नारे के साथ छोड़ नहीं रहे, बल्कि आमंत्रित कर रहे हैं, because coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Let's get together and create balance sheets that impress.